friends, in this video we will understand secularism. Secularism means non-involvement of religion. A secular state is a state which is organized without the involvement of religion. In a secular country, there is no state religion, so no religion is considered more important than others. There is no religious teaching in government educational institutions. No tests of religious nature have to be passed to hold a public office, and there is no penalty for deviating from any religious belief. India is a secular country. It does not have any state religion. Its constitution guarantees freedom of religion to all individual citizens and religious groups, and also gives them the right to preserve their culture and run their own educational institutions. No Indian citizens can be stopped from studying in a government educational institution or doing a government job on grounds of religion. There is no religious teaching in government educational institutions in India. Restrictions in laws by the government. Government bans sacrificing human beings in the name of religion as it violates the victim's right to life. Using loudspeakers out of the door at night between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. is illegal because it disturbs the sleep of those who live nearby. Relaxations in laws by the government. A sick man riding a scooter or motorbike is excused from wearing a helmet because his religion requires him to wear a turban on his head. On a limited number of festival days, the government may, in the interest of worshippers, relax these restrictions between 10 p.m. and midnight. The government takes steps to protect citizens from discrimination in the name of religion. The government has passed laws against caste discrimination in the name of religion to prevent discrimination between men and women in the matter of inheritance. The Constitution gives every citizen the right to choose his or her own religion. Importance of secularism for preventing discrimination. In India, all religions are treated equally. Government institutions do not discriminate on the basis of religion. Appointment in government offices are therefore not made on religious basis. Importance of secularism for India's unity. By giving equal importance to all religions, our constitution promotes harmony among different religious groups, that are Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Islam, Christianity. This in turn strengthens the unity of the country.